Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start new chapter, circles. First of all you have to know what is circle. Suppose C is a fixed point, a point P is moving from a fixed point whose distance from a fixed point C is always equal, that is CP. The moving path of the point P is called circle, and the point C, fixed point C, is called center of the circle. If the center of the circle is 0, 0 and radius is distance between the center and the moving point P is R, then equation of the circle is x square plus y square equals to r square. Suppose P be any point whose coordinate is xy. When center of the circle is alpha beta, then equation of the circle is x minus alpha whole square. This is 1, this is 2. Plus y minus beta whole square equals to r square. That is the equation of the circle. If you know center alpha beta and radius is r, and general equation of any circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. That is the general equation of any circle. From this circle we can say its center is minus g minus f and radius r is g square plus f square minus c. If we know equation of the circle, we can get center of the circle minus g minus f, radius is g square plus f square minus c. And condition, if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, should be always greater than 0, otherwise it will not be a circle. And if it is equals to 0, that is g square plus f square minus c, if it is equals to 0, then it is called point circle. P-O-I-N-T, point circle. And it is less than 0, that is g square plus f square minus c less than 0, which is impossible, that is circle will not be there. That is the condition of a circle. Now let's start. There are 6 questions from circle. Let's do practice and try to do all the sums, try to solve all the sums. Sum number 1. Here, question number 1, if two diameter of a circle along line this and this are on the circle of area is this. Find this equation. Here, suppose this is a circle. Two diameter, this is one diameter, this is another diameter. Two diameter is center. Suppose this is AB and CD, two diameter. This diameter pass to center, this diameter pass to center. And solving these two, equation is given. This equation is x minus y equals to 9. This is x minus 2y equal to 7. And solving these two, we can get center of the circle and area of the circle is given. Now let us solve this sum. That is x minus y equals to 9. That is minus y equals to minus 2. That is y equals to 2. Put it here. X minus 2 equals to 9, x equals to 11. So center is 2, 11. We got center of the circle is 2, 11. X is 11, 2. Center of the circle is 11, 2. The equation of the circle is no x minus 11 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to radius. Now, another one is here given area pi r square. Let radius of the circle is capital R. Pi r square equals to 38.5. Then r square equals to 38.5. Pi means 22, 7. Remove the point 10. 11 2s are 11 3s are 11 5s are 5 2s are 5 7. And then r equals to 7 by 2. Then r is 7 by 2 whole square. That is the equation of the required circle whose center is 11, 2 and whose radius is 7 by 2. Now you can break it. X square minus 22x plus 121 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equals to 49 by 4. 4 is coming here, that is 4x square plus 4y square plus 88x minus 16y plus 125 into 500 equals to 40 minus 49 equals to 0. That is 4x square plus 4y square plus 88x minus 16y plus 451 equals to 0. That is the equation of the required circle. Now let's do sum number 2. Sum number 2, question number 2 is here. One end of diameter of a circle is this. Find the other end. Here equation of the circle given. This is the circle. This is the diameter. Suppose AB be the diameter. One end point is minus 1, 3. You have to find other end point. Suppose it is alpha beta. From the equation of the circle, we can get center of the circle. This is minus G minus F. Let origin be the O be the center of the circle. Now from the equation we can get 2G is minus 6, 2F is 5. That is G equals to minus 3 and F equals to 5 by 2. That is center equals to minus G minus F, that is 3 minus 5 by 2. Center is 3 minus 5 by 2. Now using mid formula, that is alpha minus 1 by 2 equals to 3, alpha minus 1 equals to 6, alpha equals to 7, and beta plus 3 by 2 equals to minus 5 by 2, then beta equals to minus 8. Then coded of the other end, therefore find the end of the end of one end, find the other end, then other point coded of the other end. Equals to 7 minus 8. Coded of the other end is 7 minus 8. That is the answer. Okay. Next, sum number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is here. Find the equation of a circle concentric with the circle this. That is, one circle equation is given. Equation of this circle is given. Its concentric circle this. We have to find equation of this circle which is concentric with this circle. So as per this sum, we can simplify it. That is x square plus y square minus 3x plus 4y plus half. That is the standard form of a circle. That is general form of a circle. Here 2g equals to minus 3, g equals to minus 3 by 2, and 2f is 4, that is f is 2, and c is half. That is center is minus g minus f, that is 3 by 2 and minus 2, and c is half. So we have to find, suppose we have to find center of the circle, we have to find let its area is radius is r. So pi r square, pi capital R square is double of pi. Its radius you have to find, radius of the given circle, r equals to g square plus f square, g square plus f square minus c, that is root over of 9 by 4 plus 4 minus half. That is 4 is LCM. 9 plus 16 minus 2. That is root over of 23 by 2. That is radius of the circle. Pi radius square is 23 by 4. These and this cancel too. So capital pi cancel. Capital I is root over of 23 by 2. Now you know radius of the circle, we got this, and center of the circle this. Then equation of the circle, x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equals to root over of 23 by 2 whole square. Now you can break it, you can get the equation of the circle, that is x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4 y square plus 4y plus 4 equals to 23 by 4. You can simplify it and we can get equation of the required circle. It is 23 by root over r is root over of 23 by 2 r square pi, this is r, pi r square 23 by 2 r is, this will be 2 root over r square, 20 r is this 23 by 2 whole square, that is 23 by 2. Okay, let's do next sum number 4. Here sum number 4, find the equation of the circle. Question number 4, find the equation of the circle, pass through the point this and this, center lie on the straight line. Here circle is given and passing through the point 5 0 and it is suppose P and suppose it is Q is here, it is 1 4 and center is suppose C and center passing through the line given x plus y equals to 3. We have to find equation of the circle. Let equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. This line passing through the point 5 0. You can satisfy it. 25 plus 0 plus 10 g plus 0 plus c equals 0. That is 10 g plus c plus 25 equals to 0. Again this passing through the point, passing through the 1 4, therefore 1 plus 16 plus 2g plus 8f plus c equals to 0, that is 2g plus 8f plus c plus 17 equals to 0. Now and minus, center is minus g minus a, minus g minus a lie on the straight line, therefore minus g minus f equals to 3 and that we can write plus c. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Then 3 equation we can solve. Value of g equals to minus 2, value of f equals to minus 1 and c equals to minus 5. These 3 equations solved, we can get value this. Now put the value here, that is x square plus y square plus, this will be minus, g value minus, that is minus 4x minus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. That is the x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus, that is the equation of the circle. From this equation we can solve it. After solving this we can find the equation of the circle. Okay, let's do sum number 5. Here question number 5, find the equation of the so that the points these 4 points are concyclic. So we have to find the equation of the circle passing through 3 points. Let equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. These 3 points, that is 7 5 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. This circle passes through 3 points and so we will satisfy this circle, therefore 49 plus 25 plus 14g plus 10f plus c equals 0, that is 14g plus 10f plus c plus 74 equals 0. It is sum number 1. Similarly, this point satisfy, that is 36 plus 4 plus 12g minus 4f plus c, that is 12g minus 4f plus c plus 40 equals to 0. The equation number 2, that is 12g minus 4a plus c plus 40 equals to equation number 2. Again passing through the point minus 1, that is 1 plus 1 minus 2g minus 2f plus c equals to 0, that is minus 2g minus 2f plus c plus 2 equals to 0. That is 3 equation we can solve. After solving we will get g is minus 3, f is minus 2, and c value is minus 12. Solving this 1, 2 and 3 equation, we can get this. Now putting the value here, equation of the required circle, equation of required x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. That is the equation of circle, and this circle will be concentric. Then 0, 6 will satisfy this equation. Put it here. If this point satisfy the circle, then you can say 4 points are concyclic. Then 0 plus 36 minus 0 minus 24 minus 12 equals to 0. That is 0, 36 minus 12, that is 36 minus 36 equals to 0, that is 0 equals to 0. Therefore, this point satisfies this equation. Therefore, we can say the 4 points are concyclic. Next, sum number 6. Last sum number 6 is here. Radius of the circle this is given. Find the value of k. Here question number 6, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y plus k equals 0. That is the equation of circle. So here 2g equals to minus 2, 2f is 3 and c value k. That is g is minus 1, f is 3 by 2 and c is k. Radius, therefore radii equals to root over of g square plus f square, that is 1 plus 9 by 4 minus k. Radius is given 5 by 2. Then radius is g square plus f square minus c, that equals to 5 by 2. That is root over of, that is 13 minus 4k by 4 equals to 25 by 4. That is minus 4k equals to 12, k value minus 3. The first answer, find the value of k, we got k value minus 3. Find the value of k. Find the equation of the diameter of the circle passed through the point 5 minus. Suppose this is the circle and this is the diameter. This circle passed through the point 5 by 2. Here center of the circle from minus g minus f, that is 1 minus 3 by 2. That is the center of the circle, and suppose the AB be the diameter. Then equation of the, find the equation of the diameter. Therefore equation of diameter y minus y1, that is 3 by 2 equals to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 x minus x1, that is y plus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 4 x minus 1, 4 cancel, that is 2y minus 3 by 2 equals to x minus 1, that is 2y minus 3 equals to 2x minus 2, that is 2x, this is minus 3. 2x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. That is 2x 2y plus, this is plus, the plus 5, 2x minus the plus 5 equals to 0. This is x minus 1, 2y plus 3 by 2, that is 2 plus 2y plus 3 equals to 2x minus 2, 2x minus 3y equals to 5. That is the equation of the diameter of the circle. Okay, now please make a note of the sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.